Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G41, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here in the search box enter the green Apple keyboard. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while application is started on your device. Now just open the app. Here click to enable in settings, and here tap once on the switcher to tap to the OK twice, and now just go back. Here click switch input methods and switch your keyboard to the English United States keyboard. And now it's finished, and we'll just check the our keyboard. As can you see, our keyboard is also close to the iPhone keyboard at all the emojis. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.